Here we are, March 19, 2011. Christian's going to eat cereal for the first time. You ready, baby? You going to eat? Want to eat it? No? You have to put it in his mouth. Open your mouth.
Eat it.
Open your mouth. You want to help mommy? Open.
He likes it.
You gonna eat it? Open. Open. Come on. Good boy. What is that? What is it? Do you like it?
He does.
Show me what the thing sounds. What is that? Open your mouth. Open. Good boy.
Dad, I think he says no.
He likes it. He's eating it.
Eat it, baby.
After you get me.
Eat it.
That's what flavor do we have?
You're gonna eat it? You like it? Huh? You like it, Cookie? You like it? Is that yummy? Go go Oh, okay, good job. It goes with the territory, huh? Say
Hold on.
Hold on. Come on, Christian. Say Good boy. Good boy.
I think he's
Good boy.
He says no.
He's eating it. Kind of.
He won't.
He's like sucking it down.
He has to learn how to chew.
Good boy. Open your mouth.
There you
Good
go.
boy.
Dada,
There you go.
I know something too.
There you go. Come on. Open. There you go. Good boy. See, I'm a fast learner because I'm hungry, huh? There you go. Good boy. You got it. That's my baby.
Come on. Eat.
That's my baby. There you
Good
go.
boy.
There you go. Good.
Good job, Christian.
Ooh,
He
you
likes
like
it.
that, huh? Say, that's yummy. Gotta swallow it, baby.